exhaust ducts for a helicopter, silencers for turbines on Navy ships, and aftermarket suspension products for snowmobiles. Those are just a few examples of the types of things that are designed, manufactured, and tested at GLSV in Houghton, Michigan. Steve Polakowski started the company in 1996 in his garage with a focus on solving problems related to sound and vibration. Now, GLSV is housed in a 15,000 square foot facility where they take on engineering, testing, and manufacturing projects ranging from small parts to large vehicles and equipment.
What we do here is we solve tough problems. We do the hard things to do, we do the things that others have failed at. We're blessed to have the engineering capabilities and the fabrication and prototyping resources that we do. But it takes all of those things. They're tools in a toolbox, and we use creativity, innovation, all of these awesome tools to tackle those types of very difficult problems.
Polakowski says GLSV tackles those problems with a well-trained staff, state-of-the-art equipment, and high-end computer software. They've even created a specialized sound room they use for acoustic tests.
It's like standing in an open field at a very quiet night. The sound will go past your ears, it'll go by once, and it'll be absorbed within these funny cones. And when we do acoustics work, this is an environment that enables us to make a set of measurements, a simplified set of measurements, and understand more complex aspects of sound propagation.
GLSV's capabilities allow them to work on a variety of commercial and government projects. In 2011, they had an opportunity to attend a Procurement Technical Assistance Center Industry Day held for Marinette Marine. The connections they made at that event have helped GLSV land more government contracts.
There they learned about the quality requirements to work for the government and the military. And ever since then, they've been an active participant in our Procurement Technical Assistance Center programs and the events that we hosted, and they've had success procuring naval and government work because of those events that they attended.
We understood the military lingo and parts of the contracting, but we didn't have the exposure. The PTAC gave us that exposure. They helped us make contacts, as I said, with other government agencies that helped us become ISO certified. That's a critical part in order to continue doing government contracting.
Besides helping GLSV get its ISO certification, the PTAC also helped the company win some small business innovative research program grants that are being used for a couple of different projects, including the development of an active exhaust noise cancellation system. With the grants and some new government contracts, GLSV has added 11 employees in the past year. The work they're doing has earned GLSV recognition as the Northwest Michigan PTAC Government Contractor of the Year.
GLSV is a good example of taking advantage of what's happening in your area as far as PTAC resources. And what I would emphasize is the importance of networking. Going there and shaking those hands and building those relationships, and then finding out what it is that those major government primes need or those government agencies need, and helping them fill that requirement.
I would encourage people who aren't working with the PTAC to participate. Even if you are in government contracting and you think you'll understand it, the ability to interface with different state organizations and with others working in government contracting, you get a whole new education, and you start to learn the tips and the tricks. And whether it's welding or whether it's government contracting or whether it's engineering, the real value is learning the tips and the tricks.